Hey everyone, buckle up because today, February 4th, 2026, marks a massive leap in AI creativity. Kling 3.0 has officially launched on the Higgsfield AI platform. It's blowing minds across the internet. We're talking an upgraded AI video powerhouse that's also integrated into platforms like InVio, building on Kling 2.6 for insane multimodal magic. From text prompts to images or even video refs, this thing turns your ideas into stunning realities. And people on X are calling it an absolute beast and a game changer. Let's dive into what makes Kling 3.0 so epic. First off, video generation up to 15 seconds in one go. That's longer, smoother sequences that handle multi-shot stories like a pro director. Imagine epic fights, hard-pounding car chases, or intricate sports moves with physics so real you'll swear it's filmed footage. And the dynamic motions, high-octane action that flows perfectly, no glitches in sight. But wait, it gets better. Native audio integration. Generate dialogue, songs, or sound effects synced right in with multi-speaker support for different voices, accents, even languages, like English, Japanese, or Spanish. Lip sync is spot on. Mouths move like they're actually talking, and spatial sound adds that immersive depth. No more silent clips. Your videos come alive with sound. Consistency is king here too. Characters stay the same across frames, poses lock in, details don't waver. Use reference images or videos to keep everything uniform. Control start and end frames for precise storytelling, and tweak with regional inpainting or pixel-level edits. Multi-modal inputs let you mix text with visuals, animating static images into full sequences. Mind-blowing, right? Quality? We're hitting 1080p videos, up to 4K at 60 FPS in some setups, and even 4K images with a new series mode for connected batches. Smoother motions, tighter coherence, visuals that nail your prompt every time. Early testers are raving, seriously impressive. The quality is like nothing we've seen before. And here's the kicker. Every single clip you're watching in this video, generated today using Kling 3.0. That's right, pure AI wizardry happening in real time. Access it through subscriptions on Higgsfield and other partner sites. Some features might need extensions for longer clips, but the core is ready to rock. Outputs depend on your prompts, so experiment and watch the magic unfold. If you're as pumped as I am, this is the future of creation unfolding right now. Creators are signing up ASAP, saying it's Hollywood-level AI clips from text. What are you waiting for? Dive in and let your imagination run wild.